Tired of generic phone systems? Let's supercharge your communications by getting Twilio Numbers ready for Vapi AI's smart voice capabilities in under 90 seconds. First, head over to Twilio.com and either sign up for a new account or log into your existing one if you're new. You'll need to verify your email and phone number to get started. Once you're in, you'll land on the Twilio dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the phone number section. You'll usually find this on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to manage your phone numbers. Now, click on By a Number. This will take you to a page where you can search for available phone numbers. Use the filters to select the country and region you need a number from. Make sure the voice capability is checked so you can use it for voice calls with Vapi AI. Consider local regulations regarding phone number usage. Browse through the available numbers and choose one that suits your needs. Once you've found the perfect number, click the Buy button next to it. After you purchase the number, you will be brought to the configuration page of your purchased phone number. Now, give your number a descriptive, friendly name. This will help you easily identify it later. Next, in the voice section, under A Call Comes In, select webhook or function depending on how you want Vapi AI to handle incoming calls. Finally, jump over to your Vapi AI dashboard. Find the integration settings for Twilio here. You'll need to enter the Twilio phone number you just purchased and configured. Follow Vapi AI specific instructions to complete the connection, which may involve setting up webhooks or APIs. That's it. Your Twilio number is now integrated with Vapi AI, ready to power your conversational AI applications. Start making and receiving calls with the power of AI. Subscribe for more Vapi AI tips and tricks.